Welcome to my channel. My whirlpool dishwasher showed me F6 error. This means that it has a problem with the input water from this side. I verified that this filter is not clogged and the tape is opened. This is the off position and this is the on position. I disconnected the wire from the controller and I connected two wires here to this plug. I tested the resistance. The resistance is 3.6 kilo ohm, so there is no open circuit in this coil. When function, I hear a buzzing from this part, so it tried to open the valve and it cannot be opened. I will see if I have a spare one and it will be replaced maybe. Time to open this junk box. It contains some tape and some valve. I will try to test them. This one may be okay. This one has two wires. I will try to test those if they are okay or not. We will test the existing solenoid valve. I opened the dishwasher faucet and I will energize the solenoid. I will put this on. I will turn on the power. As you can see here, we hear a buzzing, a little buzzing without any water. So there is a problem with the solenoid. I will replace it with this one and we will do a test again. Before installation we will test this solenoid valve. We plug the power first. Now we will turn on the solenoid. So the solenoid is working. Now we will be installed inside the dishwasher. I enlarged this hole to pass the solenoid valve. I find those connectors. They will be used here. They are insulated. Now I will solder those two wires and we will protect the solder with this heat shrink pipe. Now we will connect this hose to the solenoid valve. And we will open the dishwasher faucet. So it is function normally. You can hear here the water flowing inside. And it start functioning. This is it need some liquid inside. You can see here we have water. Thanks for watching and have a nice time.